perfect. I hope you remember you're grand, a totally marvelous gift to the world, fresh from creation's hand. I hope you remember this moment and how you know you fit in, a totally marvelous gift to the world. With all your answers within, and you are wonderful, so precious and so rare. Every time I look at you, the joys beyond compare. I hope you remember you're chosen to carry the golden key, a totally marvelous gift to the world, unlocks your destiny. I hope you remember the faces of all your family, 'cause love lives in their eyes. If we will only see, you are wonderful, so precious and so rare. And every time I look at you, the joys beyond compare. That